Welcome back, guys, to the second episode of the Inktober challenge, not in October. Yes, that's what we're calling it, and I don't care what you say. If you missed the first episode and you would like to check it out, I'll link it right up here. Now, for the day 2 prompt, it is, drumroll please, Mindless. And to keep this in the video game theme, I figured I would draw Claptrap. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment down below telling me how awesome I'm doing, and yeah, that's about it. Also, another quick reminder, I do stream on Twitch Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday. That's 3 days of the week. You can stop by during one of them, say hi, tell me how much you loved this video, and that's why you're coming by. I thank you in advance. And what do you say we just jump into it? Alright guys, quick little update. So I ended up going to Michael's and picking up a bottle of masking fluid to, keep certain areas white. Reason why I went out and bought this masking fluid was because I do want to get more into watercolors. So I figured this would just be a smart idea to have. You can just literally paint over it and it'll peel right off. Tiny bottle, if anyone cares, was 17 bucks. And I ended up getting a 40% coupon from the Michael's website. So if you ever go to Michael's, make sure you check their website for any coupons. You usually always have one. And I ended up getting it for 11 bucks. So yeah, let's get back into the drawing. Alright guys, these are the colors I ended up choosing. I broke the black. Guys, thank you for watching till the very end. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Also, if you did enjoy, which you did because you watched till the end, I know you trickeries, give me a big old thumbs up. I do stream on Twitch Tuesdays, Thursdays, Sundays. That's 3 days at 9 p.m. Stop by my stream. Link in description down below. And I love your faces. Peace. Got my coffee. Coffee. Oh yeah.